Hi, this is John from NYC. Today I would like to introduce you guys a camping cook set which is sell only at Makro in Thailand. This is it. As you guys notice, it's said only at Makro. This thing costs approximately $13, including tax. I have just bought this from Makro. Okay, take the whole thing out. Come in a mesh bag. There's a top for something, I don't know which one yet. There's another one, I'm assuming for the kettle. Here's a small kettle. And okay. Here's a pot. I think this is just big enough for about 1.5 liter. Let's see what he says. The pot is all good for 1.5 liters. This one is good for 700 milliliters, the kettle. Frying pan is good for 800 milliliters. This is the frying pan. Has this handle just like the pot over here. I'm gonna leave this inside as it is. Now, let's put this in, like so. Here's a capillary action stove that I have made. No gluing part. I hate taking this out. Take a little time to put it in. But this is from the Thai energy drink called the M150. I have cut it. I might have to take this out again. And top here, I have cut it out with the side cutter. Let's see. Okay. Notice the inner part is about a half inch, approximately half inch taller than the bottom piece, which is the outer piece. Okay. Let's see. I left the alcohol here. Here's the alcohol in here. Let's get this thing set ready to pour the water. This thing is cool. I guess that's about 500 milliliter I put in. This is a 600 milliliter bottle. Okay. That's weird. I don't know how much alcohol I'll put it in there. I don't have anything to measure. So what I do is I just pour in just about half of the thing. That's gonna be approximately equal to about a little over, I guess, 1 ounce, about 45 milliliter, approximately. If not, here's a lighter. You don't have to do it directly in, you could do it side. Okay, whole thing is lit. Sure, this is 7. Right now it's a bit windy, but through this could block the wind a little bit, but oh well. This is a half the fun of being outside, right? Deal with a little bit of wind, a little bit of rain, hot weather, cold weather, whichever, right? Let's see how this works out. I don't know, you guys gonna be able to see this well, but flame is going. It's too bright. The pot, probably I'm gonna use it sometime later to try to cook a ramen, see how well it do with the performance. Well, I'm using the showing the capillary action stove over here. Simple fact, that is one of the easiest one to make. One of them, and the firepower is really great. But I'm not too sure if it's great with the fuel consumption. It's gonna eat up the alcohol like crazy, but it's okay. Over here, over here, the alcohol, you can order this from the Lazada. Like I said in my previous video, one of my previous video, it costs about approximately $3 per liter. It's not too expensive. Maybe I should have done it in my pot. Actually, be able to show it's bubbling. So I wasn't really thinking. It's okay. By the way, if you usually like in Thailand, they have a small cans like this for energy drink or the coffee cans, pretty small, and you can make this kind of stuff very easily. Maybe I should have used a little wind guard, but I didn't think it would be a bit windy like this. By the way, I have received pretty much a very similar cook set in the Lazada. And I seen the lowest price for the very similar cook set was 560 baht. So probably with the delivery fee, probably you will pay another what $6-7 extra compared to this one. So far with this type of cook set, Makro has the cheapest. Steaming, but it's not boiling. Wish that had a little tap, not so flimsy. Would have been better if it's not so flimsy, but well, but everything else, everything works. This is not so flimsy. It's like in there. So. With the actual pot, I am going to cook up ramen in there later. See how well it works. And I guess I'll put that in. I'll make that video within the next few days. If not today, I have to see. Fire all the way out here. I don't know. Maybe because of the wind. Not too sure. Just about. Steaming more. By the way, probably a lot of experienced alcohol stove users know this. If that's windy, if you don't have the wind guard, it consumes more alcohol to actually boil water or heat up something. So I'm not sure if this is enough to boil the water. Let's find out. Sounds like it's boiling. Almost. Okay, it's boiling. I have the rolling bubble in there. I don't know, you guys can see the steam coming up over here, but morning. Anyway. Got a little bit of alcohol left, about maybe 5-6 milliliters. This should go off pretty soon. But anyways, just I don't know if you guys should be able to see the steam coming out. There's the steam coming out, but I don't know if you guys be able to see this because it's so bright out here. Anyways, but so far the kettle works pretty good. Then next I will test out the pot with some ramen, and I'll let you guys know how it is. Anyways, till next time.